Yeah, people, welcome to Alien TV. Like and subscribe. I don't know. You see me, I say. I want to me have tell all the haters them, you see Vybz Kartel and Movado shall live forever be. I mean forever and ever. All me get up a man and become a big artist. Them artists are done cement for them legacy as icons. Nobody can take nothing from them. No matter how much vlogger go against them, no matter how much society go against them youth are a job pitney them. Them two youth ya. Them can't stop them youth ya. No matter how them incarcerate Vybz Kartel. Tell me I tell you this Adi. Them can't stop you. Them can't stop you, Mavado. Jah when done ordaining, it was ordained in the universe, written in the stars soon to come and be great. But the fight go on road boy. The struggle I go did it just like Moses when I have to run with down. Just like how them cut off John head. John the Baptist said and put it on a piece of stick. Them are going to persecute the eye them. Them are going to persecute the eye them. Because now Jah people. But just hope the eye them just before nothing happen that be, you know, mean that life like. Because sometimes we live we take life for granted in my lad. I know Mavado rate Vybz Kartel. I know deep down Vybz Kartel rate Mavado. And I would like to see nothing happen to none of them artists. I like me get up a man and yes, Mavado drop out or Vybz Kartel drop out. The man if you burn out bad mind out of dancehall dog. And put respect on the artist them name. Put respect on Mavado name. Put respect on Vybz Kartel name. Put respect on Bounty Killer name. Yes, I put respect on Capitan name. Put some respect for Sizzla Kalonji name. The man them put in them work. Put some respect on Buju Banton name. Yes, I put some respect for Mad Cabra name. The man them put in works in the business be. I don't understand how people come and try to tear down artists all of a sudden be. Do you know what hard it is for your artists make it in the music business, people? Because right now I'm an aspiring artist, young artist. I do it from a long time. Years be, I don't know if it's a politics night or maybe through me now sell my soul now, my rear end. But the art to make it people. So I see Vybz Kartel them make it and I provide for him children till all him youth them come and turn musician. I'm happy for him. A man now have to stretch out a helping hand for me, to me, for me rate them and happy for them success. And I feel if Mavado him Sunday at prison right now. And people are mocking him can't go back a yard because they envy the man in him big house them have. Them envy Vybz Kartel of him ability, of him thinking. We can't believe. Said that them used to fight against all Bounty Killer, my lord. And I grieve when I see them fight against dancehall artists. I can't celebrate when I see them a tear down dancehall and dancehall artists them. I don't know about the next man. I'm not a vlogger, I'm a musician. And before I'm a musician, I'm a black man, you know. And I rejoice to see a next black man rise to the top and make it, you know, out of the ghetto and can help them children, them wife, them mother, them father. I be a struggle. And big up all the new generation of artists them we are do good, my lord. Massacre. Big up on yourself, Virgin. Big up the six them. See me I say big up Shop Dan, big up Squash. Me not too normally do them thing about me. I big up all the youth them. We out there do them thing, ragging thing. I hope you get well soon. See me I say TJ go and do your thing. Big up every artist. Big up Idonia. Big up Governor. Like and subscribe.